We've had some rough weather rolling
Nah,
through the valley tonight.
it's
This is
going down.
video and photos sent in by Mud
Look, I
Boys.
got sirens
This
going.
is 7 miles southeast of Fertile, Minnesota at
I
8
feel like
p.m.
someone's gonna touch down
As
right
you
here.
can see there, it
Right up
appears
there.
a tornado is on the ground.
It's down.
Again, about 7
Yeah.
miles southeast of Fertile, Minnesota at 8 p.m. on this Saturday evening. Appears to be a tornado on the ground, not hearing any reports of
Tornado on the
damage at
ground.
this hour. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.